Understanding Prosthesis Lifespan, a guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrases prosthesis and prosthesis lifespan. This is an essential topic for anyone interested in the field of medical devices, especially those that help improve the quality of life for individuals with missing limbs or body parts. Stay tuned as we break down these terms and explain why understanding the lifespan of a prosthesis is crucial for users and their caregivers. A prosthesis is an artificial device that replaces a missing body part, which may be lost through trauma, disease, or a condition present at birth. Prostheses are designed to restore the normal functions of the missing body part as much as possible. This can range from artificial limbs, like arms and legs, to other body parts like teeth, dental prostheses, or heart valves. The main goal of a prosthesis is to improve the quality of life for the person using it by enhancing their mobility, functionality, and overall well-being. The prosthesis lifespan refers to the duration a prosthesis is expected to function effectively before it needs to be replaced. This lifespan can vary widely depending on several factors, including the type of prosthesis, materials used, the user's activity level, and how well the prosthesis is maintained. For example, a prosthetic limb used by an active adult may wear out more quickly than one used by a less active person. Understanding the lifespan of a prosthesis is crucial for planning replacements, adjustments, and budgeting for future costs. Several key factors influence the lifespan of a prosthesis. Material quality is paramount. Higher quality materials can withstand wear and tear better over time. Usage intensity also plays a significant role. More active users may need replacements more frequently. Additionally, proper maintenance, such as regular cleaning and adjustments, can extend the lifespan of a prosthesis. Finally, technological advancements and innovations in prosthetic design can impact how long a prosthesis remains functional and up to date with the user's needs. Regular checkups with healthcare providers are essential for ensuring the prosthesis is functioning correctly and comfortably. These appointments are opportunities to make necessary adjustments, address any discomfort, and plan for future replacements. Staying proactive about checkups helps maximize the prosthesis's lifespan and ensures the user can continue to enjoy a high quality of life. Understanding the prosthesis lifespan is crucial for anyone using or considering a prosthesis. It involves knowing how long the device will last, recognizing the factors that affect its durability, and the importance of maintenance and regular medical checkups. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into prostheses and their lifespans. Remember, a well-cared-for prosthesis can significantly impact the user's life, offering them freedom, mobility, and independence. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.